law controls, the law gives freedom. Law is the tool to humanity. Thanks for making law so just and maintaining the profession's integrity. Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about National Law Day. The National Law Day, also known as Constitution of India, is celebrated on November 26 every year. It is called Samvidhan Diwas in Hindi and is celebrated to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution in India in the year 1949. On this day in 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India formally adopted the Constitution of India that came into force on January 26, 1950. According to a report, the National Law Day commemorates the pledge of Purna Swaraj passed in the Lahore session of the Congress in 1930. The Constitution Day is celebrated to pay tribute to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the man behind the drafting of the Indian Constitution. It is said that the 2 months between the adoption and enforcement of the Constitution was used for reading and translation of the document from English to Hindi. The Constitution declares India a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, assuring its citizens justice, equality, and liberty, and endeavors to promote fraternity. The Indian Constitution stood the test of time as India has been a successful democracy, unlike many others who had become independent at the same time. Now, some important facts about National Law Day. The Constitution of India is the lengthiest written constitution in the world. The Indian Penal Code, laid down by the British in 1860, is the foundation of the criminal law in India. In 1973, the Code of Criminal Procedure governs the phenomenal aspects of the criminal law. The Indian Company Law has been updated and renamed as the Companies Act 2013. That's all. Thank you so much. Stay tuned to Aztec News.